Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nick and I make beauty videos every week. So today we're going to continue our Dyson Airwrap series, but instead of talking about how to get voluminous waves, we're going to talk about how it can give us straight, sleek, and frizz-free hair in a few minutes. So in my last Dyson video, I told you guys that for the girls that are on the go and want to get out the door as soon as possible, the firm smoothing brush, which is this attachment right here, is the right attachment for you. So I just got out of the shower, I did a bit of light makeup, and we're going to show you how this can get you out the door looking polished and clean in a few minutes. Now we're going to attach the Dyson Firm Smoothing Brush into the Airwrap, and we're going to start to make ourselves a little less broomstick and a little more like a woman. So I have it on the medium heat setting and the highest airflow so it can dry my hair really quick. So let me get a time check. It's currently 3:15 in the afternoon and we're going to start combing our hair. So the key with this attachment is you can rough dry your hair by just combing it in the beginning, but it's better to run it through slowly as you're drying your hair so you can shape your hair, but also make sure that the ends have like a curve like that. So it looks like you blow dried your hair. So I'll show you in a bit. Let's continue drying our hair.
Settling in, settling down, falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in a crown, a crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen, royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice.
So it's only been 7 minutes and my hair is already pretty dry. I'm just going to do some finishing touches like on this part so it can have more volume. So what I do with the first parts of my hair is I kind of group them together. And then I comb them forward so that there's more volume. And when you do that, there's a little bit more volume on the first part of your hair, which is really nice. So it's only a little bit over 10 minutes and my hair looks straight, frizz-free, and it's very volumized. So I love the effect that it gave to my hair. I mean, you can tell how big of a difference there was from the start of the video to this. I keep going through my hair. I mean, look at that. It's shiny, it's soft to the touch, and it's just everything you want your hair to be when you're going out the door or when you're in a rush. And the best part is it's a combined brush and a blow dryer. That's why it could achieve this kind of results in just a few minutes. And I could have done it in a shorter time if I wasn't spending a lot of time kind of trying to shape my hair and giving it that like curve at the end. When I watched a lot of YouTube videos, I found that they really just ran this through their hair like that, and that kind of gave their hair a pin straight effect. And I know some people like that, but for me, I like having volume. I like looking like I don't have limp hair. So one tip for using this is to kind of pick up your hair and run the air wrap like this and then curl it like that. So what you want to do is really have the air blow upward. So it gives you the volume at the root, and it also helps shape your hair because the attachment is kind of curved. So if you do this, it's going to follow that shape and it's going to end up giving you the kind of blowout where everything is forming a letter C. In general, I just wanted to have a little bit of volume because that looks more natural than just pin straight hair. Also, pin straight hair can make your cheeks look fat and like your face look fat because everything is sticking there and it's highlighting the shape of your face. So volume really makes you look thinner. I mean, it's a double win. Straight hair and a thinner face. What more could you ask for? So if you wanted to achieve this kind of results, the Airwrap is definitely a must-buy for you. I mean, if you're not in it for the curl it gives, which I highly doubt because it's so amazing, you can really achieve straight, smooth, frizz-free hair with just one attachment. And it can take you from drab to fab in less than 10 minutes. I know the Dyson comes at a very steep price, but as I said in my other Dyson video, which I'll link up top, with the amount of tools that you're going to use, with how much you're going to use it, with how much time it's going to save you, and how many hair problems it's going to solve for you, it's definitely worth the money. So that's it for my review of the Dyson Firm Smoothing Brush. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash that like button down below and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a beat when I post content like this. So that's it for me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!